So today I'm going to perform a wet to dry dressing. I would walk in my patient's door and shut the door behind me, perform hand hygiene. Then I would want to verify my patient's identity, so name and date of birth, and compare that to their wristband. At this point I would put gloves on and be sure to remove any of the old dressing and discard it, making note of the odor, the color, any type of drainage. I could take a Q-tip or cotton tip applicator and measure to see the depth of any tunneling. All of this is very important documentation. And then I would discard those gloves and perform hand hygiene, and I would get my sterile kit, and I'm going to open my kit. Okay. And grab my gloves. And you'd want to put this shiny side down underneath the wound if possible. Now I'm going to don my sterile gloves. So now I would take my saline, and if it's reusable, I would lip it and pour it into my tray and put that to the side. I could go ahead and stick some gauze in it. Okay, and now I am going to take my gauze and make sure to squeeze it out and fluff it a little bit. And then I will start to pack the wound. And I would discard, squeeze, and one more time. And discard. Take some dry gauze and put it over the top of my wet gauze. And then I would take my ABD pad and with the blue line up, put it on the top. And I would take both ends and take another piece of tape and write my initials, the date and time on it, and I would put that next to the ABD pad. And then I would begin to clean up afterwards.